And then he became a small child on the lap. Therefore, Krishna's birth is transcendental. Our birth is by force, by the laws of nature. He is not under the laws of nature. Laws of nature works under him. Maya dhakshena prakriti suate sacharacharam. Prakriti, nature is working under the order of Krishna. And we are working under the order of nature. That is the difference. See, Krishna is the master of nature, and we are servant of nature. That is the difference. Maya dhakshena prakriti suyate. Therefore, Kunti Devi says, Kechit ahu. Somebody says like that. Somebody says like that the unborn has taken birth. How the unborn can take birth? It appears like that, but it is not taking birth. It appears just like he has taken birth like us. No. Therefore it is said distinctly, Kechit ahu. Some foolish person say like that. And Krishna also said in the Bhagavad Gita, Avajananti mang mudha. Those who are rascals, they think that I am also less like ordinary human being. Avajananti mang mudha manasim dehamasita. Because I have appeared just like a human being, so some of the rascals, they think that I am also one of the humans. No. Param bhava vajananta. He does not know what is the mystery behind the gods taking birth like human being. Param bhava vajananta. So similarly, Krishna is Aja. He takes birth likely, not exactly he takes birth. He is everywhere. Just like Krishna, it is stated, Ishara sarvabhutanam riddese arjuna tishtati. The Ishar is, the Lord is situated in everyone's heart. If that is a fact, see, if Krishna is within your heart, within yourself, see, if he immediately comes in your front, so what is the difficulty for Krishna? He is already within, and he is all powerful, just like Dhruva Maharaj. Dhruva Maharaj, when he was engaged in meditation, the form meditation, 400 Vishnu he was meditating upon, all of a sudden his meditation broke and he saw the same figure before him, immediately. This is very difficult for Krishna. He is already within you, and if he comes out, similarly, if Krishna is within the heart of everyone, Devaki also, so if he comes out before Devaki in the same 400 form, is it very difficult for Krishna? So people do not know. Therefore Krishna says that you have to understand Janma karma mein dibbo, transcendental birth. My activities, my birth. Therefore Kunti Devi knows that Krishna is unborn. Krishna does not take birth. But it appears like that to some fools. Therefore they say that Krishna has taken birth. But why Krishna takes birth? The next question will be. That is replied. Punna sloka sakirtai. Punna slokas. Those who are very pious, very advanced in spiritual understanding, to glorify them. Krishna comes to become the son of Devaki, to glorify Devaki. Krishna becomes the son of Jasoda to glorify his devotee, Jasoda. Similarly, Krishna appeared in the dynasty of Maharaj Yadu just to glorify. He was a great devotee of Krishna, and he is born in the family of Maharaj Yadu. The whole family is celebrated still Jadava. Krishna's name is Jadava because he took his birth in the Yadu family. So how is it that Krishna took? They glorify the family. Exactly, the example is given. Just like Malaya Seva, Chandanam. Chandan, this is a tree. A tree can grow anywhere. But the sandalwood tree, because it is very prominent in the Malaysia country, formerly they were growing this chandan tree, as I told you, because there is good demand in India especially of sandalwood. So nowadays they are growing rubber tree because there is good demand for rubber. So even after business, so the Kunti is giving this very nice example. This chandan tree, it is a particular type of tree. It can grow anywhere, not necessarily that it has to grow in Malaysia or Malay Hill. There is no such rules and regulation. It can grow anywhere. But because this sandalwood is grown in large quantity in such part of the world, the sandalwood is known as Malaya Chandan. Malaya Chandan. Just like in your western countries, the scented water, UD Cologne. UD Cologne. Cologne is a country in France, and there it is manufactured. Therefore it is called UD Cologne. So similarly, UD Cologne can be manufactured anywhere. But originally, because it was manufactured in that Cologne city, it is known as UD Cologne. Similarly, sandalwood also can grow anywhere. But because originally it was very prominent in the Malayas, now 5,000 years ago, Kunti is offering this prayer. That means before 5,000 years, the sandalwood was growing in the Malaysia. So this Malaysia is not a new name. It was known thousands and thousands of years ago. And all these places, they were Vedic culture. So similarly, he is giving the example that Krishna has no obligation that he has to take his birth in a particular family or particular country. He has no such obligation. But to glorify a certain family or certain person because he is devotee, and therefore he has taken birth. The reason is he is appearing, therefore it is called Divyam, transcendental. He is not obliged, but we are obliged. That is the distinction between our taking birth and Krishna. We are obliged. If by our karma, by our activities, we are fit for taking birth in a good family, then I will get my birth in good family or in the human society or demigod society. But if my activities are lower grade like animals, then I will have to take birth in the animal family. That is force. Karmana daivanetrena jantar dehopapatte. We develop a certain type of body according to our karma. In this life, this human form of life is meant for athata brahma jigyasa, for understanding the supreme, the absolute truth. But if we do not do so, if we simply remain like animal, then again we are going to the animal form of life. Misuse of the opportunity, then we are. Therefore, this Krishna consciousness movement is trying to save people from going down to animal life. Thank you very much.